Macy, tell me what's going on.
There's a trapezoid window in the back of my house, and people will see me when we're having a lockdown.
Why are we having a lockdown?
Because there's a bad person in the village.
What village?
This village that we live in.
Oh no. So what are we going to do?
We have to lock down.
And what happens to your trapezoid window?
People will see me.
What if you're naked? Okay, see you later. Lockdown! How's life in there? Looks like you need some more light. Let's go in this window. Oh, no. Oh, hey. Let's go in your trapezoid window. Can you see anything? I don't see you, Macy. Not funny. We'll go in this window. No! Front door! See you later.